Now, here's how we can log in to the Microsoft Teams on the iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it will work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe to this channel so you never miss anything important. So the first step is to get the Teams app from the App Store. It's freely available, so you can download it just like any other app. And then when you open it up for the first time, you're going to be presented with this like welcome page. So you have a few options. Technically, you can join meetings as a guest, so you wouldn't really need to have the account to quickly join a meeting. So that's one thing. But if you wanted to just log in with an account, you can see in my case, I have two accounts which I have used before. I can just tap on any of them and continue with the one I used before. But if you don't see them, just click on the plus button or use another account, and you will be able to join the Microsoft Teams with the either email or phone. So you're going to type that in, and you are basically going to continue with it. So that's how you can just log in. So of course you can only log in with the Microsoft account. So if you don't have one, you'll have to create one. But it's pretty simple. You just have to go through a couple of different steps. You're going to get a confirmation email, right? The regular stuff. And once you're done, you're going to get to a page where you see your profile, you see your history of the calls, and you can create your own meetings. So there are definitely better features if you use it with an account. So let me know what you think. Let me know if it worked for you. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more. And I hope to see you later in the upcoming videos as well.